study MSc, then people will considering on T cells. Okay, you should be with class. Okay, that is what is going on here. You see and you understand. You just understand MSc is there. That is TH and TD is associated with class 2 and TC and TS is with class 1. That's all. And I already told you what is MSc is little. Yeah, and two type of MSc is there. Why MSc is there? Because T cells cannot recognize antigen directly. That's all. Okay. Now something about TH cell. Just write TH cell is what? TH cell is, that is for, TH stands for, it is a CD4 containing T helper cell. Fine. CD4 containing, it is CD4 containing T helper cells. And this is one of the most important cell that connects what? Two type of immunity. That is, it is one of the most important cell that connects cell mediated immunity to the humoral immunity. Fine. Because once the TH cell becomes activated, it will produce interleukin 2. And this interleukin 2 activated the B cell to proliferate, to divide into plasma and memory, and plasma cell secrete antibodies, and antibodies mediated humoral immunity. That's why this is very important. TH cell is the connecting link. Okay. Fine. And it recognizes antigen associated with class 2 MHC. Fine. Understand now what is the function of TH cell? Then you say that TH cell play a central role, okay, in the activation of B cell. Means what? Activated TH cell produce cytokines, and those cytokines activated B cells to produce antibodies. That's all. That is fine. And not only B cell, when it produces cytokines like IL-2 or some different type of cytokines, then this not only activate the B cell, it also activate T cell, TC cell. Okay, it also activates so many cells that together responsible for an immune response. Fine. But major is what? B cell. Fine. It also activate TC cell. Fine. And when TC cell is activated, what happens? That is, this one is activated TH cells. This one is produces interleukins, mainly interleukins 2. Fine. These interleukins 2 having so many function, but important one is it will activated what? B cell, and this B cell produces plasma cells and memory cells. Okay, and this plasma cells secreting antibodies. This is one of the pathway. Okay, but it also, this interleukin also, it will activate what? TC cells, and this TC cell is converted into CTL. CTL, that is called cytotoxic T lymphocytes. It is called cytotoxic T lymphocyte. Fine. Understand? What is CTL? CTL is a activated TC cell. Okay. When it activates, when that activated TH cell produces the interleukins. Fine. And once it becomes CTL, it will destroy, it will kill the cells. It also die, cells also burst. That is, the cytotoxic granules come out and kill the cells. Okay. Fine. Cytotoxic, huh?
Killer cell is also having,
yeah, killer cell is also,
but it's not the same as,
no, it's the killer, natural killer cells. Yeah, the reaction is somewhat similar, but different. They are different. Those two are different. Means CTL is the, not all TC cell are become CTL. Once they activate, they convert it into CTL. Just for example, very simple. Suppose this one is what? TC cell. With this TC cell, there is no cytotoxic granules. Okay. There is no synthesis of cytotoxic granules. But what happens? Once it will become active, which one? TC cell, with the help of interleukins produced by activated TH cells, it will synthesize what? Granules, cytotoxic granules, now converted into CTL. Okay, fine. Then comes to TD cell. TD cell is for delayed type hypersensitivity. It is responsible for delayed type hypersensitivity. This also contains which molecule? CD4. Fine. And it participate in what? T cell mediated allergic reactions. Because allergic reaction may be of different types. T cell mediated allergic reaction. Fine. Clear? And they are also responsible for the activation of some of the macrophages, because macrophages also play in allergic conditions. Now TC cell. TC cell is what? TC cell is a CD8. Yes. What about TC cell? TC is a CD8 containing cell, T cell. That is T cytotoxic cell. TC4, T cytotoxic. Okay. Because this TC once activated, converted into CTL. That is, you can say, precursor of that one. Okay. Then you remember two things in T cell. That is, one, what they contain, either CD4 or CD8, and how they interact, means on which type of MHC molecule they interact. That is, either they interact with MHC class 1 molecule or MHC class 2 molecule. There should be specificity. And also you can say TH cell is CD4 plus CD8 minus. This is true or false? TH cell is CD4 plus CD8 minus. It's true now? Huh? Then they can put this one like TA, they give option, so many option. TD cell CD8 plus, CD4 plus, CD4 minus, CD8 plus. Means the reason behind this, they contain only one. Either they CD4 plus, then CD8 minus. If they are containing CD8, then CD8 plus and CD4 minus. This will be for their proper recognition, because what? Because MHC molecule is associated with a particular type of CD molecule. Okay, MHC molecule is associated with a particular type of CD molecule. Then always and always MHC class 2 molecules is associated with CD4, and class 1 is for the CD8. That's why a specific recognition is there. Fine. Then you understand about CTL. CTL, how CTL formed? How you say that, how production of CTL is taking place, or when production of CTL is taking place, or when, from where this CTL is coming? You say that when TC cell, listen what you have to say, when TC cell interact with antigen associated with class 1 MHC molecules. What? When TC cell interacts with antigen associated with class 1 MHC molecules, it become activated and converted into CTL. Understand na? Understand or not? Clear? And also cytokines also helps in that one for the synthesis of granules. There are two phases, preparatory phase and synthesis phase, we come to know. But this is, then what happens? Then what happens after the formation of CTL, or you can say cytotoxic